Bharat Shakti has reported that the Indian Air Force is preparing to procure 40 additional Rafale fighter jets under a government-to-government deal, and initial high-level talks with France were held recently. After giving Bayraktar armed drones to Maldives, Turkey is donating a fast attack craft to Maldivian military, and even wanted to transfer Harpoon missile to Maldives, but was forced to cancel it because of lack of US permission. Hindustan Shipyard has awarded a contract to Man Energy Solutions for the supply of 10 marine engines for the 5 fleet support ships of the Indian Navy. The DRDO has announced that it is developing an airborne and naval variant of the recently demonstrated 30 kW Sahastra Shakti ground-based laser weapon. SMPP Private Limited is setting up a local plant to manufacture 155mm artillery shells for export markets. Indian Defence Secretary undertook an official visit to UK, and both sides explored greater collaboration between the defence industries of both nations. Indian Defence Secretary undertook an official visit to Italy, with the primary objective of advancing India-Italy bilateral defence cooperation. The Italian Black Shark Torpedo has emerged as the top contender for an Indian Navy requirement of 48 heavyweight torpedoes, after its German competitor ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems dropped out of the race. Kerala Police has shortlisted the AK-203 rifle for its requirement of 250 units as part of its modernization process. Hindustan Aeronautics has started maintenance, repair and overhaul of civilian Airbus A320 aircraft at its Nashik facility. India will dispatch at least 20 new defense attachés to foreign embassies by March 2026 to boost defense exports. After a recent report by The Print that the Air Force might opt for a government-to-government deal for 114 Rafale F-4 fighters with local production, Bharat Shakti has reported that India and France held talks on the purchase of 40 additional Rafale fighter jets for the Indian Air Force through a government-to-government deal, parallel to the 26 Rafale Marine G2G deal, and discussions are underway to ramp up domestic assembly, deepen industrial offsets, and create a robust MRO ecosystem for the Rafale in India. The 40 Rafale order raises questions about the 114 MRFA tender, on which some experts said that 40 Rafale order could reduce the urgency for the MRFA tender, while others said that 40 Rafale order could make way for the local production of Su-57 under the MRFA program. The DRDO is all set to start development of an airborne megawatt-grade directed energy weapon that will have a range of over 500 kilometers. The airborne megawatt-grade directed energy weapon will be mounted on a transport aircraft that will allow the system to be deployed rapidly to hotspots, with a focus on neutralizing tactical ballistic missiles. Operating from high altitudes increases the line of sight range to over 500 kilometers and will complement ground-based missile defense systems like the indigenous ballistic missile defense program. Today's top 3 comments.